Put your hands on your head. In Yiddish, we say Kop. Put your hands on your shoulders. In Yiddish, we say Akslen. In English, these are our knees. And in Yiddish, we say Knie. And these are our feet. And in Yiddish, we say Fies. Now, in English, we say eyes. In Yiddish, we call these our Augen. In English, these are ears, and we call them our Oyen. In English, this is a nose, and in Yiddish, this is our nose. And in English, this is our mouth, and in Yiddish, we call it our moil. And so that goes Augen, Oyen, nose, und moil from the beginning. Kop, Akslen, Knie und Fies, Knie und Fies. So that's Kop, Akslen, Knie and Fies.